can change it to me again. Okay. Yeah, change it to slides.
Okay.
So, hello.
Yes.
Someone's mic is on, please keep it off unless asked for. Okay. Tamal, record at your end, cloud mein. Yeah. So again, good morning, everyone. So we'll be talking about various topics. So first of all, we'll be talking about mass energy balance. Okay. The next we'll be talking about heat transfer. Guys, can you confirm, is it visible at your end, the pen color?
Yes, sir.
चेंज कर ज्यादा सही रहेगा रेड उसमें
The color. Just a sec. White. Okay. Now is it
Yes.
visible? Yeah. So we will be on heat transfer. Okay. So heat transfer, we have a series of different type of questions. Particularly, we'll be talking about. See, these are the topics. So mass energy balance. Okay. Hello. So mass energy balance, momentum transfer, heat transfer. The last one is thermal processing. We'll be taking in the first half. So mass energy balance, it carries around 2 marks or 1 marks in every year. Momentum transfer, 2 to 3 marks, depends on the person who is making paper. Heat transfer, these are the topics. So in basics, we'll be covering about, let's say, composites. Okay, basic of heat transfer, some things. Okay, then we will be talking about the Fourier law, Newton's law of cooling, and some radiation problems. Okay. Next, very important critical thickness of insulation. Questions came in previous years, both for AG, all the three, AG, XL, and XC. Then numbers. Numbers we'll be talking about BI, FO, and NU. That is Biot number, Fourier number, and Nusselt number. Then lumped heat analysis, which comes every alternate year. Okay. And very, very important topic. Most of the food engineers or agri engineers, they get confused. So I'll be giving a very simple or shortcut method for solving such kind of problem. So are you guys ready for the first half? +1 immediately in the chat box. So we will be mostly interacting in the form of +1, +1, -1. Okay, cool. Cool. So total 3.5 hours session, 3 to 3.5 hours session will be there. So what time will be feasible for you? Let's take a break at 12 and let's get it back at 12:30. Everyone okay with that? Type okay in the chat box. If 12 to 12:30 break, then we'll be meeting again at 12:30. Fine? Cool. Okay. So let's start with the mass energy balance. That is one of the important topic. Just a second.
There's some technical issue with the slides. Hold on a minute. We'll. So you can see the first question is here. You all are requested to try it yourself and give us the solution in your chat box.
Ma'am, question is not
Question is
visible.
not visible.
It's visible now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the time is up. Has anybody found the solution?
No. So start.
Oh, uh, okay, Ritik Mani has got the solution. Okay, let's see. We'll approach. So the question says 100 kg paddy is dried from 18% wet basis to 13% wet basis moisture content. The amount of water removed in kg from the paddy is dash. So best way to solve with this is the balancing the total solids content. So we have to find out what is the total solid content in the beginning of the product and what is the total solid content in the final product, and we have to just balance that. So are you all familiar with the box method? Here, drying is taking place. So we'll do drying, right? Now we have feed here, product here, and since some drying process is taking place, something is coming out, which is the water. And that is what they want us to find out. So here, 18% moisture content is in the feed. And it has 100 kg paddy. And the product, final product will have 13% moisture content. So if we are to find out the total solids content, then what will be the total solids present in the feed? It would be 100 minus 18, right? So 82%. And in case of product, it will be right. Is everybody with me?
Yeah.
Yes, you're getting the solution. Fine. So we'll balance the total solids here. 100 into will be. And if we do the solution, what is the product value coming? What is the total content of the product? Can anybody do the calculation?
Okay, is it done? If done, then let's go with another method also we have. So I hope the pen is visible with you guys. Is it visible? What I'm writing? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the things are like we are taking in such a way. Balance is like what is the given 18% is given. Okay, 18% initial. So 100 kg is going, outcoming is P something, and 13% is the weight basis. So all along is weight basis. Okay. Weight basis matlab anyone out of 100, 18 kg is water. Okay. In this 13 kg is water. 13 kg of P. Okay. Not exactly particular, 13% of P. So 100 equal to, and water is going here, W. Okay. So 100 W plus P, and 100 of water 18.8 into 100 into what? 1 into W plus P into 0.13. So here you will get directly P. Minus it and you will getting 0.87. P equal to how much? 82. So P equal to how much coming? Quick.
94.252.
P is coming as 94.25, right? Yeah. So W will be 100 minus P. So it is coming around
5.74.
So those who got the answer, they are correct. Change the slide. We'll take this question next because we are going in a rhythm wise. So question number 2 will be taking next, and yeah, go ahead with that. Hello, public, is it done?
Yeah, people are starting to get the answers, which is nice.
Okay. So let's take the question. What is there? Initial moisture content of food on wet basis is 50.76. Its moisture content percent on dry basis is. So anyone? What is the approach? Those who got the answer. Hello.
सर पहले तो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट से 100 से माइनस करना है, तो उसके बाद तो ड्राई मैटर का जो परसेंटेज वो निकल आएगा, उसके
Okay.
बाद दोनों परसेंटेज निकलना है उसका.
Okay, that is one. Any other method?
You can directly convert moisture content from dry basis to wet basis. Anybody here knows that formula?
Dry basis moisture content by 100 minus dry basis moisture content
1
into
minus
100.
What?
1 minus moisture content of wet basis by moisture content of wet basis.
Okay. That is also one thing.
Different people have got different answers. We have the simplest one for you. Maybe some of you told the same thing only, but in a more manipulated form.
So what is asked here? From WB to dB, right? Are hi na?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
So we will be denoting it here as but bigger M as dB and smaller M as WB. Okay. So the small this is given, right? So we need this. Okay. So it is small m upon 1 minus m into 100. That is the answer. So the m here should be in decimal form, not in percentage. Or else you can do one thing: small m upon 100 minus m. That's it. The answer. So 50 upon 50.76, 100 minus 50.76. What is the answer you're getting? That is the answer. What is the value coming? Quick. Hello?
103.08.
What? Yes, speak it quickly. So it is coming like into 100 karna, okay? And it is coming like
103.08.
103.08. That is the right answer. Next slide. We'll be first taking the smaller questions first. Okay.
This is a small question only.
Okay.
Theory question.
Go ahead with that.
Theory based.
Hello.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible? Yeah, quick.
Anybody here understood the question? What is being asked? Guys?
Yes.
Tell me.
So at the first, the total solid of the apple juice is 10%. Then I use the single effect evaporator to concentrate the apple juice to 40% total
Yes.
solid. In a vacuum of 20 kilopascal. After some time, the vacuum pump is stopped. Then, but the evaporation process is going on. Then, what will be the possible implication for the apple juice? Product quality will affected. Substantial increase in thermal energy requirement, and last the
What happened?
slide is not visible.
It is being shared.
Is it visible?
Yes. And then what will be the combination of the possible implication? Then A is P and Q, and B is
That is
Q.
fine. That is fine. So what do you think in this situation, what is the possible thing that can affect after having stopped the vacuum pump and continuing the evaporation process? How do you think will the entire process be affected? Will the energy consumption of the plant be considered here? Is it adding to the product? No, right? But the product quality overall, it will get affected. Right? So the substantial increase in the thermal energy requirement, it will not happen. But our first option that when we are stopping the continuing the evaporation process without using the vacuum pump, it will affect the entire quality of the product, because when we are carrying out the process in vacuum, it will be something, and when we are carrying it out without the vacuum, there will be higher chances of loss of nutritional content and everything, right? Another thing, there will be also decrease in the evaporation. So our answers will be R and P. Okay.
So how many of you gave me the answer R and P? No one. Okay. Yeah. So
What
Sir,
is
why
the
not
reason,
increasing
one by
Q
one,
is
one by one.
Sir, why not increase in thermal energy requirement is correct option.
The requirement is not increasing. It is not adding to our final product, is it? When we are continuing the evaporation process. Plant is not paying for that.
But ma'am, when vacuum is removed, to continue the same rate of evaporation, let's say to concentrating up to 40%, then energy requirement will be more after removing vacuum.
We have already utilized the vacuum, which we have already used it to reduce our energy consumption. Then we are stopping the process of evaporation, vacuuming and starting continuing the evaporation process. So the saving of the energy has already occurred. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Okay, then we'll move on to the next question.
Yeah. Hello, hello. Is it visible? Quick.
Yes, sir.
visible.
Time is also visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, quick. So we'll be taking this question in next 30, let's say 1 minute again. I'm giving 1 minute. Quickly start and then we will be coming up. Okay, for this question. Hello, any answers in the chat box? Yeah, why not D? Mayank, just let's finish these 2 questions, then we'll be again coming to the same questions again. Okay, Mayank?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, cool. So any answers for these questions? Quickly, see. 1 minute से ज़्यादा का question नहीं है ये. So let's start the thing. So you have 2 samples X and Y with this and this to produce a 3% fat. Okay, so again make a box. Box method is always useful in such kind of mass energy balance problems. So X is there, you are mixing Y, and finally you are getting Z. Okay, so 100 ml of Y is mixed with what ml of X. So let's here already given 100 ml of this is used, and for this, let's say something. Okay, so let's balance the mass initially. Let's calculate the 1 ml equal to 1 gram only. Assume kar lo, ताकि density same ho. Now, so X plus Y equal to how much? Z. Okay, and that is X plus 100 equal to Z. Now we have how much percent in X? That is 3.8%, and here 0.5%. And how much final is coming? It is coming as 3.5. So percentage of fat we have to balance. So now it is coming like 3.8. 100 is divided everywhere. I'll be taking 100. If some guys get confused, Y, that is 100 into 0.05 by 100 equal to Z into 3.5 into 100 divided by 100. 100 cancelled everywhere. Generally, write directly 3.8 if everything is in percentage or balancing. So 3.8x plus 50 equal to 3.5 Z. Okay, and from here Z is calculated, x equal to Z minus 100. Kadam. So x equal to 3.8, Z minus 100. Balance the equation, you are getting the answer. So what is the answer? 0.3 and 3.8. If you get it, how much it is coming? Quick, public. Hello. What is the value of Z coming? Anyone? Okay, so the value of Z is coming as
1100.
1100, right?
Yes, sir.
So X is how much coming? 1050. Are hi, Anna. Hello. Any mistake is there? Quick.
Sir, 1000 iron. X 1000
Yeah,
iron.
it's 1000 because 100 is there, right? So 1000 ml of X is required for mixing, for getting 3.5% fat at the end of. Okay. So next point, this one, quick, same level of questions, no change. So this is the go. 2014 this question came, 2017 this question came, and again if you say 2018 similar level of question came. So mass energy balance 1 mark question definitely will be coming. Okay, so such kind of problems is very useful for scoring. Okay. Now next problem here. Yeah, so the timing here is on screen. दिख रहा है? Hello. Is it visible on the screen? Quick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखो अभी गेट के प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं because mass energy balance is not a big deal. Okay. Once we are shifting to heat transfer, धमाकेदार प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे. So stay back. आगे और start होगा. Okay. We are starting with the basics. Then we will going tougher ones. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so time is up. Maybe you need some more time for this. Give them another 30 seconds. It's a big question. Okay, so fine. Anybody found the answer or anybody at least found the approach how to go with this? Okay, nobody. So what here happens is two operations are taking place here. First, we are having the separation process. Then we are having churning process. In the beginning, we are having milk of 10,000 kg and 7% fat. Then we are turning it into cream of 40% fat. And finally, we are getting butter of 80.5% fat. Now, see one thing. We have the loss of some skim milk will be there, which is 0.1%. Yes, somebody saying something. Okay, fine. You're not audible. Please write in the chat box. You're not audible. We will listen to you. Meanwhile, I'll proceed with this process. So what happens here is, here our final balance would be milk is equal to skim milk plus butter, right? So our mass, the total solid balance, which will be a fat balance here, essentially, because fat is what we are considering here. So fat balance will occur as 10,000 into 0.7, 7% rather, is equal to 0.1% skim milk. Skim milk we can write as 10,000 minus cream, right? Plus 40% of cream. So if we solve this here, can somebody tell me what is the value of C coming, which is our cream quantity? Somebody, please solve. I don't have calculator with me.
1729.32.
Right. Cool. So this quantity of cream is going to get converted into butter. The kg of fat will remain essentially same, but the percentage of fat will increase, right? So once again, if we are to do our fat balance here, mind you, we will only do fat balance. What we'll do here is, again, we have 1729.32. 17, or rather, let me just write 40% of cream is equal to 80.5% of butter. So our 40% of 1729.32 kg cream will be equal to 80.5% of butter, right? So what is the value of butter coming here? Quantity of butter?
859.28 kg.
Cool. 28, right? Kg butter. Now, to find out overrun, what is the formula? Anybody knows the formula? It will be butter minus original fat by fat into 100. Okay. So we have to find out what is the original fat content here. Many of you may do the mistake of writing this 7% of 10,000 kg, right? What is the value then coming? 700 kg, right? But it is not. It has been written in the question that there is some 0.5% initial milk fat loss. So there is a loss of 0.5% of this 700 kg. So what is the value coming here? 3.5 kg, I think, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
Yes, ma'am.
our initial fat value will be what? 700 minus 3.5, which is 0.5. Yeah,
696.
96, right? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So overrun will be 859.28 minus 696.5 all divided by 696.5 into 100. What is the value coming? Some 23.37.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. So this is our answer.
Okay, so the next problems is again skim milk, milk based. So let's see. This is fat content. Again, the fat content based problem came. Before also we solved the fat content. So this concept you should remember because it might repeat, and it's repeating from every alternate year if you see. Okay, 2013, 15, 17, and 19. in 2022 mass the weight basis and all problems came. Okay, so mass energy balance is a scoring
सर
topic.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन में आंसर थोड़ा डिफरेंट आ रहा है.
इसमें
18.94 आ रहा है आंसर.
which one? Over.
यस सर.
Let's see calculation में कुछ.
There may be some calculation error. Did you follow the same process?
मैम ये लास्ट में ओवररन वाले में एरर आ
हाँ.
रहा है.
Overrun वाले में मतलब there may be some calculation error on our behalf also. We would apologize for that.
कैलकुलेशन एरर.
Process is same, right?
यस मैम.
Okay, we will look into the calculation once again.
Answer 22% के आसपास ही आना चाहिए. Gate answer is that only. So there will be some mistake from your end. Hello.
यस
Check
सर.
one. Recheck your calculation once, okay?
Yeah.
Mayank says calculation is correct. Okay, then.
Yeah. So quickly solve this question again. 1 minute. Bass.
We have well, you've solved this question by your method, then we'll have.
What is the problem? You just send in the chat, Google WhatsApp group afterwards. Okay. Cool.
यस सर.
Focus on this problem quickly. Hello, any answers in the chat box? Tamal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So anyone is in the YouTube live?
There are 4 pupils.
Cool, no issues. So let's talk about this problem. Okay, quickly. Guys, are you there? Any answers? I can't find any answer in the chat box. Quick. So how much skim milk in kg containing 1.1% should be added to 500 kg of cream containing 50% fat? What is standardized cream? So dabba method. Okay, whenever such problems comes, make the dabba. Okay, so skim milk SM, then it's mixed with what? Cream, and the final product is coming some milk. Okay, standard cream. So it's standard cream. So let's take X, Y, and Z. How much? 500 kg of cream. Let's make it beautiful here, not here. So 500 kg of cream and skim milk of M, and finally the cream is coming. So 0.1% of the fat here, and here it is how much? 50% fat. Here it is again 36% fat. So you know that, you know the drill. Okay, what is that? M equal plus cream equal to SC. Okay, standard cream. So M into 100, that is यहाँ पर M plus 500 equal to SC. That is one parameter you're making. And just quickly, we know that M into 0.1% plus C, that is 500 into how much? 50, that is 250. I'm writing directly. Okay, and SC equal to again 0.36, that is 36.36 into S. Okay, now this is very small. Can you find it? This is, if you multiply it, M001 plus 250.36 SC. In general, if the problem is in what to say, this NAT problem, generally this is neglected. It's very small. Okay, if you want to neglect, So that quick calculation is there. What is the answer? What they are asking? How much steam is required? So we can't neglect M. Okay. Now, M is how much? SC minus 500. That is 500 minus SC minus 500 into 0.0001 plus 250 and 0.36 into SC. Calculate it quickly. You will get getting some answers. What is the answer? Quick.
Option C. Option C.
Okay. Let's check. Hello. आ गया everyone?
Yes, sir.
Option C is the right answer. 0.195. Okay. So let's quickly. Dekho. Now one more thing. If they are asking the milk skim milk, don't eliminate M. Eliminate SC. Here I eliminated SC. Okay. But if what thing is asked, only single thing is asked, go for that rather than going for this. It will reduce your number of steps. Okay. Okay. And there is one more method for this. If you want, then we can say, or else let's skip it. Okay. Yeah. This problem we'll take in the later half because some part of dehydration I'll be covering in this. So, Suraj, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Remember this problem I have to do, okay? Sugar ratio. Remind me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this same thing, dehydration drying, some things we will be covering up, then we'll be coming on this. Okay. Now, say these problems are although dehydration drying problem, but not required of single thing of dehydration drying. Okay. But we will be taking in the second half. It is only mass energy balance, nothing else. And now let's go through quick grind. Okay. 2013, 2012, 2013 again, 2019, 14, 2019, 17, okay, 18, 18, 19, 22. So you can see every year there is a problem from here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this problem, it contains some amount of HET, heat transfer, okay? So we'll be taking along with this, okay? So mass energy balance is done. Quickly give response in the chat box. How much you are confident with the mass energy balance out of 10? So after this class, I'll be giving a couple of problems in the chat there, 9.99. Okay, Mayank. Yeah, let's take your problem, your doubt of that. Why not D? Okay.
That we explained.
Yeah.
That was discussed on today.
Let's see, he's saying now. So Apple use of 10% also is being considered in a single effect evaporator working with a surface condenser of 40% TS. Vacuum of 20 kilopascal. After the sometime the vacuum pump stops, but the operation process continues. So the combination of possible implication from the following. The product quality is affected. Is it affected? Will it get affected?
Yes, of course.
Are हाँ है ना?
हाँ sir.
Now substantial increase in the thermal energy. See, already we are, like say, if we are having initially like total for completing the whole process, we need 100 kilowatt. Okay. And because of the application of vacuum pump, we are reducing the requirement of this. Okay. But once the pump is stopped, that energy can be utilized there, right? Yes or no? So the overall capacity of a plant will not require much, right? Or will it require?
Okay, sir.
Requirement will remain constant, right? No matter what, to convert your evaporation from 10% to 40%, the thermal energy requirement is going to remain the same. We are manipulating our energy utilization by using vacuum or open evaporation. That is different as what they have asked about the requirement. The requirement is not increasing. We are just changing what manipulation we were doing with the vacuum. We're trying to lower it down. That only we are just shifting. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If any is there, we'll check it again. Okay. And in the second half, we'll if any problems. So now let's quickly, this numbers will be taken in the heat and mass transfer analysis. Okay. Now People's favorite topic, okay, heat transfer. So I wonder in the chat box, how many of you get scared of this topic? Yes or no? Those who are my regular students, they won't be scared anymore. Yes, Suraj, Shiva, Anand, Ayushi,
Yes, sir.
Dilip,
Yes, sir.
cool. Yeah. So let's start with the basic thing. So we will be covering some of the important points here before starting the topic.
Let's share the video. I can't share the screen.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. So the things are, first thing, how many modes of conduction, heat transfer we are having,
3.
3.
right? That is conduction. Next is convection. Third one is hello. So what are the important parameters in conduction we are knowing? That is K, Kawa, right? That is thermal conductivity. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Next is convection. Another thing is alpha here, right? What is alpha?
Sir, diffusivity.
What is the ratio of
Thermal
alpha?
diffusivity.
Yeah, thermal diffusivity is, what is the formula for
K
that?
by rho Cp.
K by rho Cp. So what it justifies? It justifies the capacity of a material to what? Regular students, quick, what is the answer? What is the significance of alpha? Are bolo bhai.
Thermal diffusivity.
Are thermal diffusivity, I know. What is the significance? Suraj, Shiva. Chai problem. Everyone remember? Are the story of chai wala? The story of park. Remember?
Sir, heat capacity.
Are heat capacity. Anyone?
The change in environment.
अरे तुम सब लोग सब भूल गए. Okay, come on. I'll tell you one thing. I'll take here 5 minutes, okay, but I'll explain what are the important topics, points of this conduct alpha and all. See if particularly your chai wala is there, Ramu chai wala, he's making a tea, okay. So for quickly making a tea, which material should be used? Steel material or iron? If K of steel is greater than K of iron, public, bolo. In the chat box, K of iron or K of steel, which steel or iron, which material should be used for quickly heating the tea or quickly making the tea?
Steel.
Huh? Chat box. I want steel everywhere. Okay, steel, correct. Now, why steel? Because K is very high. So K is very high means Q is very high. The heat transfer will take place very fast. Okay, now I'm removing this. Now, once the tea is ready, he's giving to some office nearby, that is 400 meters from there. Okay. So for that, he have to carry that particular tea in some pot. Okay. That pot should be of what? Iron or steel?
Iron.
Why?
Because the heat transfer must be very less, so that
Yes, sir.
they can keep the tea hot
For a long time.
Yeah. So what is the significance? The material which have higher K, okay, also have higher diffusivity. Yes or no? Are higher, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember the ratio of alpha. The significance is thermal transferring capacity to the storage capacity. What is rho Cp? This is storage capacity. Yes or no? Are higher, na?
Yes, sir.
And so the material which are very good thermal conductor are very good diffuser also. Okay, because they have very less storage capacities. ये याद रखना. अब आगे हम लोग एक और देखेंगे significance of that. Those who want to go actually what is the chai wala story and the park story, they can watch the lectures, provided they have to go with the courses for the paid one. And the heat transfer is taught in a different level and different manner. So you can, if you want, you can go ahead with that. Now, let's take the first problem. Are you ready, public?
Yes.
I want +1 in the chat box. Quick. Only 6 out of 44 people. Only 6. Where are the others? Quick. Only 11. 12. Okay, cool. The time starts now for the next problem, and here's the problem. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So your time starts now. 30 seconds or 90 seconds questions. Not more than that also it's required. Only calculations there, nothing else. Okay.
Okay,
So
so
Stephen Boltzmann constant में 10 to the minus 8 होगा ना?
the times are up and only Lowell has answered so far. Cool. We'll see if it is the correct answer or not. So people respond. What is the basic thing to be done here? We have to just apply the formula. But what formula we are supposed to apply? Tell me. Heat transfer. Okay. Heat transfer is equal to anybody? Formula for radiation. What is it? Your Stephen Boltzmann constant into emissivity, into area, into temperature, final temperature to the power, final temperature to the power 4 minus initial temperature to the power 4, right? Okay. One thing you have to be very careful here, temperature here has to be in Kelvin only. You cannot use this, which here it is given in centigrade, you cannot use it in centigrade. It has to be, many people have forgotten to do the conversion and they have lost marks for that. So you have to make sure that you are remembering to convert your temperature here into Kelvin from Celsius. So if we convert here, our T1 will be 273 plus 177. It is coming as 450, right? Kelvin. And initial temperature is coming 273 plus 100, which is 373 Kelvin, right? Now there is nothing else left to do. They have even given the Stephen Boltzmann constant value here. This is actually 10 to the power 8. Okay. Sometimes it may not be given. It is very easy to remember Stephen Boltzmann constant. All you need to know is 5, 6, 7 and 8. You have to remember these four numbers consecutively, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's just 5.67 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, so we'll put 5.67 into 10 to the power 8.
Ma'am, that is
So
minus 8, na?
here it is 0.85.
Hello, ma'am.
Surface area they have also given directly. They have not even asked us to find out the surface area into 450 to the power 4 minus 373 to the power 4. What is the value coming here, guys? Tell us. Calculate and tell us. Yeah. So the value is 67.298. It is here. Usually they ask us to give the answers up to 2 decimal digits. Okay. So try to keep your answers up to 2 decimal digits when it comes to giving your NAT answers. So this is 67.28.
Yeah. So the next problem. Okay. थोड़ा भयानक नहीं है, डरावना भी नहीं है, and this is not the gate problems. It is inspired from the gate problem. I have only created it just today. So, hello, am I audible? Public.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello. Suraj, audible?
Yes.
So start the problem, very easy problem, maja aayega. Okay. So basics are going on. Okay. Then we'll head towards the tougher one. So any approach, guys? Chalo, let's not spend time on solving.
1 minute.
Huh?
This one.
1 minute हो गया है. Heat transfer, guys. Ready? We have 40 minutes and we have to solve 2 more topics. So quick. Okay, so your time stops here. You can solve if you want to continue, or those who are not getting the clue, they can see here. So the food industries, okay, 2 sides of a wall which is made of alloy having thermal conductivity of 2. So K of 1 equal to 20 watt per meter Kelvin. Okay, and thickness of that particular T1 equal to 3 centimeter are maintained at 80 degrees Celsius. And so let's make a diagram. So here 80 degrees Celsius, here 120 degrees Celsius, okay, and this particular is 20 and 3 centimeter. Curve-wise 20, okay. Now, the thickness of the plate is decreased to 3.5, and the colder surface temperature is increased by 12 degrees Celsius. So then it comes to 92 degrees Celsius, same, and thickness is 3.5. That is 3. That is particularly is coming 9/4, right? Increase to 3.5 of the original. Yes or no? So what is the thickness? Final thickness क्या होगा? Hello? 9/4, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 9/4 centimeter.
सर वो डिक्रीज बोला है मैम.
Decrease to 2. यही घुमा हुआ इस प्रॉब्लम में. Nothing else. Those who miss this, those who think or decrease by 3/4, someone will be saying like 0.25 of 3. That is 0.75 is the final length. No. 0.75 decrease. 2.725 is the final. Okay. How many got confused here? Suraj, what you took? 2.25 of the final or 0.75 is the final?
2.25.
Okay. Chalo. So what is there? Nothing in the problem. Okay. Kuch nahi bacha ab. Now they're asking the percentage increase in the heat flux. So what we know, Q equal to minus KA, minus K. K not equal because Q by A they are asking. Okay. Minus for the timing, forget it. So K delta T by L, right? So Q is 20. That is same. So no need to worry about that. So Q1 by Q2 le lo. Ya phir just calculate. Okay. No issues. 20 delta T initially was how much? 40 degrees Celsius, 40, and length was 0.03. Yes or no? This is Q double dash 1. Okay. Q double dash 2 will be how much again? 20 into it is increased by 12 degrees Celsius. So here the 12 will reduction. So 28.025. What is the value coming? अरे क्या आ रहा है? 800 divided by 0.03.
तो पहला वाला 2.7 है 10⁴.
हाँ? Hello? So first one is 26 kilowatt, 26.61 kilowatt, right? And second one is how much? Hello? 22.40. So what is the change coming? है कोई बोलेगा? How many percent change is there?
6.67% मेरा भी आया था. But I did not find out the voltage.
See, this is one way. Another way, the shortcut, very, very, very good shortcut is there. So they are asking the difference in the temperature, right?
They are asking change in heat flux.
Change in heat flux. Okay. So Q1 minus Q2 dash by Q1. Okay. So Q1, that is K, that is 20. K is everywhere, it's cancelled. Okay. 20 into delta T, that is how much? 40 divided by 0.03. And again 0.03. 800 minus this is 28 into again 20. So bolo quickly. This you do, answer. Ratio se kilo khatam ho jayega. Next problem, quick. 1 minute maximum. Rapid fire, 1 minute maximum. Isha, what is the answer? Just write in the chat box for the last one.
6.67. Yes, Sillol, you are correct. Suraj, you are also correct. 6.67% is the right answer.
अरे पब्लिक आया आंसर? सूरज, रचना, all
फिर
this.
कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो गई मुझसे दोबारा कर।
Okay, so what is the formula? Anyone? बोलो 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 पब्लिक. No one remembers. So it is A2 minus A1 upon ln of A2 by A1. Yes or no?
Sir,
So what is there? So there is no use of this, right? Area that is particular you are talking about. Which area? अरे बोलोगे public. 5/4 d square or pi dl? Which area?
ideal.
So 3.14 into 2.5 of d1 d2, that is 40 minus this, so 6 mm, that is 10 to the power minus 3. Again ln of ll cancel, pi d cancel, so d1 by d2, that is 40 by 34. खत्म. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? Anyone will speak?
Zero point two.
0.289.
कितने लोगों का आया? So some people will be first calculating the thing and then they will be going in the formula putting. How many of you did that? ये किया है ना हर किसी ने? चलो next, let's not spend time on that. Yeah, again the similar problem, similar level problem came in GATE 2018. Okay.
Sir, question is not visible.
Sir, question is not visible.
There was a power cut at my end. Now?
No.
Sir, not yet.
Abhi? Now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the problem is Amul's cold storage. So hello everyone. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Problem समझ में आया? बहुत easy problem है. And see, the difference from this problem from the before problems, it is a MSQ. अभी यहाँ पर हमने डेट नहीं डाला है because the problem you have to find. Okay, so ये चारों ऑप्शन के रूप में something will be there. MSQ what they converts, this is the problem and they will put in, and some of these will be right answer, some will be wrong answer. So I think the answer we haven't mentioned, we'll mention here now. You have to give answers in the options. Okay, quick. So for this particular problem we'll be giving time as 3 minutes. 3 minutes you have to solve it because it's a big problem. Okay, cool. Buddies. Hello.
Yes.
Regular students, they know this problem. Well, not this exact problem. They know the things. So you can see the timer on your screen. Timer visible hai? Okay, thermal conductivity is not given. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Assume it some k equal to 10. Okay. Can anyone identify which topic is this?
सर कंपोजिट वॉल का है ना?
From the composites. Second, the thermal conductivity of three materials are not given, right? So for brick, you take 10. Okay.
हाँ सर, बोलिए.
For brick, it is 10. For cement, it is 12. Okay. And for asbestos, it is 2. Okay. Hello. KB
Yes.
is 10. KC is 12. And KA equal to 2. All are in same standard units. Okay. Anything else which is not there in the problem? Take one more minute because something was not given. Isha, check any answer scheme. See, Suraj, area नहीं होता तो हम लोग क्या assume करना है?
Yes.
Assume it is just per unit area. Okay, you will to go with the flux. Okay, and if you want area, take it as 1 meter square everywhere. ठीक है? कितना आ रहा है? Quick. What is the heat surface, heat transfer area, heat transfer is coming? Something nearly 629.99 or 630? Public. ये आंसर आ रहा है ना? So let's calculate it now, okay? Simultaneously calculate with me, and the things are so 20. It was 10, 12, and 2. This was how much? 80, 100 mm. Okay, this is 80 mm. This is again 100 mm because 10 centimeter was given, right? So 0.1, 0.08, and 0.1. So the formula is, what is the formula? Suraj, delta T upon RTH, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So delta T is how much? Minus 18, and here 24. So total is 42. Yes or no? Divided by, so 0.1, area we are seeing same everywhere. So 0.1 divided by 10, 0.08 divided by 12, and 0.1 again divided by 2. So overall it is coming as Q equal to how much? 629.99 watt. Problem number 1. This is 629.11. यहाँ पे आएगा 629.99 और यहाँ आएगा 729.99. So which is the answer? Option A is the right answer, right? अरे हाँ या ना? Public, clear? Hello. अरे आया. So how you can calculate the second problem? Option C, interface between brick and concrete. So they are asking the temperature at here, brick and concrete, this point. So we know Q will be same everywhere. So Q equal to how much we got? 629 or 630, let's say. So 630, again RTH bottom, that is 0.1 divided by L, that is 10. And here temperature T, that is minus 18, and this, so T plus 18. Okay, so now we got how much? This is 0.01, 630. 630 into 0.01 minus 18 is the temperature. What is it coming? T1 is particularly minus 11, yes or no? Are hi ya na? Isha, check the options.
Yes, sir.
And between cement and asbestos, similar level you can calculate, yes or no?
Yes.
So
sir.
there will be 2 RTH, yes? Yahan par T2 hai. So here RTH for this particular will be 0.1 divided by 10 plus 0.08 divided by 12. This is the RTH, and again you calculate it and you multiply it. So that is the answer. Next problem, very important problem. This I'll be taking, or you guys want to take? Hey, logo, ye problem you want to try, or shall I take?
We'll try.
Again inspired from GATE 2018, okay? These are not PYQ but inspired from those problems only. 2018 से inspired है, 18 and 19 से inspired है. What is the value of Biot number? Okay, so the time stops now and let's solve it. So what is given? Ball of this diameter equal to D equal to 0.404. Okay. Now density is given as rho equal to 8500. Cp is equal to 0.4 kilojoule, that is 400 kilojoule, 400 joule. And the temperature of the initially it was T equal to T naught equal to 250 degrees Celsius and T infinity was 30 degrees Celsius. What was asked? T at after some time temperature. So the formula is like this. So before going into the formula, public, I want from you. सूरज क्या था फॉर्मूला याद करने का तरीका?
T minus T infinity by T is 0 minus T infinity is equal to e to the power Havel's का PVC into T.
What is the value of tau here? Havel's PVC, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Khatam. So, but before that, we can only apply this formula when we are having biot less than 0.1, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of biot coming? Biot, how many you remember? HLC by K, yes or no? K of body or fluid? Body, sir. So H was given how much? 10, right? And LC, how you can calculate LC? No need to remember LC and all. We know LC equal to CSC. Yeah.
D by 6.
So C is D by 6. Yes or no? So D by 6 into KB. KB, how much was there? Body for 20, right? Given or not? 200. So this was point. How much? Diameter was 0.04. Okay. So calculate what is the answer coming? बायोट नंबर की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? 0.1 से छोटी आ रही है. Guaranteed lesser than 0.1. Yes or no? So BI is coming as 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is smaller than 0.1. So we can apply this problem. Okay. So quickly calculate tau. What is the value of tau coming? You guys go with the tau. I'll directly go. So T naught minus T infinity. So this is how much? T minus 30 or given, right? 30 divided by 250 minus 30. So initially it was 220. E to the power of minus of tau, that is HA. Tau into T, so tau into 1200. So let's calculate tau here. H, it is 10, right? A by rho VC. So we know if this is the value of LC, then A by will be the reciprocal of this. So 4 by D, 6 by D, and 6 by D. How many of you are not a regular student? +1 karna. I'll explain to this method how you are remembering. If I check the +1s. Those who don't know the value of A by V directly or LC.
Mayank.
Only Mayank. Rest all are the regulars.
Harshal Boyte. Lakshmi Bhavade.
Okay, cool. So just I'll explain you. Okay, let me solve this problem quickly. So 10 into it was A by V was 6 by D. 6 by D again we are putting. And rho was 8500 and it was 400. So 60 divided by 8/00 into 400. So tau is coming as something into, okay, hello. So tau into t के value direct आ जाएगी 0.529. 0.529. T minus 30 upon 20 to 20. So e to the power of something that is negative. कितना आ रहा 149 point something. What is the value of T coming here? 149.62 degrees Celsius. How many of you are getting this option? 13. Mayank, how come 13? Let me erase everything, okay? सूरज क्या आंसर आ रही है? शुभम, सूरज, रचना, शिवा,
160.
आकाश 160 आ रहा है. Let's check, okay? BI we know is less than that. So tau equal to Havells of ka PVC, okay? HA, and now Mayank and others who don't know this thing, remember A by V, okay? We know that LC is nothing, it is V by A, volume upon surface area, okay? There is a characteristic length. So, and what here, what we are having A by V, same thing. So if we remember LC, so how you can remember LC? You always remember CSC, okay? And divided by, this is C is cylinder, that is D by 4, sphere is D by 6, and cube is D by 6. Here 6 is for this diameter, and here D is side length, okay? Mayank, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so if you know CSC, that is LC, then you can easily remember A by V. So if you have A by V, you are deleting the calculation of pi by 4 D square upon something and all. Directly you know the ratio, okay? So if you know the ratio, here it is 6 by D, right? For sphere, yes or no? H into 6 upon D into P and C. C, always remember it should be in joule, okay? If the option is given 0.4, don't put 0.4, it should be in joule. And the time should be in seconds. So H, that is 10 into 6 divided by diameter is 0.04. 04, na? 8500 into 400. What is the value coming? कुछ गंदा सा आंसर आएगा, right? Hello?
No.
कितना आ रहा है पब्लिक? ऐसा कुछ आएगा
into 1200.
So how much? 0.000 0004411. This is coming as tau, and if you multiply with T, that is 1200 into this, it will be coming as 0.529. So the option is T minus T infinity, T naught minus T infinity.
T naught.
T naught. It will be the power of minus of this, multiply this 0.529. So this T minus 30 divided by T minus, that is 220, right? Equal to something like, ये आएगा 0.52 आएगा originally. So if it comes 0.52 something one.
This is coming as 0.58.
Yeah, 0.58.
So 159 answer.
Yeah, answer is 159. I have to take here 140. So the answer is 30 plus 129 point something कुछ आएगा. So 160 is the answer nearly. सबका ये आ रहा है. How many got the 116 plus 1? Nearly around 160. 159 to 160 is the answer. Okay. अर्नब दास, मयंक आंसर आया, लक्ष्मी, मयंक, now next is again similar level of problem, direct problem from GATE 2016. Now you solve this. किस चीज का प्रॉब्लम है? Again lump DI, guys.
Same, sir.
Same,
Same,
sir,
sir.
same.
Same problem है ना? So giving you 2 minutes, quickly solve it because we are calculation of A, V, something, something. First BI निकालना. So answer is 200.65 degrees Celsius. Answer is 200.65 degrees Celsius. Is it right? Hello? 200.65 degrees Celsius. Are हाँ, yes or no? Amal, Ankit Patel Hilol, you have answered. Akansa. Actually, you're right. I'm saying 200.65 degrees Celsius means 473.80 Kelvin. Yes or no? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो कोई reply क्यों नहीं कर रहा था यार? Confused. Okay. So shall I take this problem or I shall no? It's okay for the YouTube guys. You have to take this, right? So the meatball with radius of 25.4 mm at this. So D equal to something of 25.4. So let's calculate quickly BI. That is D by 6. So 25.4 into 10 to the power minus 3. And H is how much given? 11.5 HTC was given this and divided by K. That is 44. So guaranteed this is less than 1. If this is less than 1, then originally this is also less than 1. So it is coming as less than 0. Something aega 0.1 K. So BI is correct. Now let's go to one thing, that is tau. Tau is how much? Havells ka PVC. So 6 by D. Yes. Again 6H upon P. That is rho. How much it was given? 7850. Volume not required. C.
4606.
So it is 460.6. Khatam. What is the value of tau coming? Quick. H ki value 11.5.
D
0.75.
हाँ.
0.25.
So tau how much coming?
0.75.
0.75 into how much? 3600. E to the power of ये चढ़ा देना equal to how much? Initially how much it was there? Suddenly plunge this 700 T minus. Okay, so it's 305. Calculate what is the answer coming? The answer should be coming as 473.8. Confident public. Chalo, आओ, this problem. Dimension number starts. So some guys will be confused sir कैसे problem करना है बहुत easy है बहुत easy है public. Always remember the formula. Okay, Nu equal to 0.023 into Re to the power of 0.8 PR to the power of 0.3. How you have to remember? And any suggestions how you have to remember this formula? Hello? How I remember? I remember like no pari, okay? No pari. Hello? So Nu pari, okay? So PE and RE, PR and RE. Okay. Hello? Are you there? So 0.23. 2 का क्यूब क्या होता है? Hello?
8.
Now calculate this formula. Basic things. Don't do anything mysterious. Calculate करो आंसर आ जाएगा. RE यहाँ पर given है. 7 PR given है. Nothing else remaining. That's okay. Hello. And what is Nu? Nu is Nusselt number. That is HD by. What is K here? K of body or K of fluid? Let me take this problem, okay? So next page. So we know that simply Nu equal to 0.023, Re to the power of 0.8 and PR to the power of 0.3, okay? So Nu is nothing, HD by K. 0.23, RE to the power 2000, that is 20,000 was given, right? Turbulent flow. Yeah, 20,000 to the power of 0.8 and PR, that is 0.72 to the power of 0.3. Calculate this. What they are asking? They are asking HTC. So H. So H you keep. So K by D, and you get the answer. So what is the value of coming this? क्या आ रहा है public? What is they are asking? Convective transfer coefficient. There is H they are asking, right? Hello? अरे आ रहा है आंसर. डायमीटर कितना गिवन है? So K by D, there is 0.6. So just 6 into. Anyone who got the answer? Hello there. Akansa 345, 345. So answer is 345. Hello. Next question. GATE 2014 का question है. So similar level of problem होगा वो, particularly what is they asking? This is given, this is given. They are asking for a number. So what you see? L square. It is slab. Okay. Pack of arms is pulled inside. Properties of this. ठीक है. So what is the shape of bearing? Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बोलो. This is not L square C, okay? This is L square only. That is 50 mm. That is simply 0.05 whole square. Alpha T, alpha you have to calculate. That is K by rho Cp, right? Into T. T is how much? 30 minutes. So 30 into 60. Get the answer. So K is how much it is given? Sir, H is given as something. Hello?
0.3.
K is 0.3. Rho is given as how much? 3.78 kilojoule. That is 3780.
1025 bro.
Specific heat is 3780 and 1025. Khatam. Okay. Into 0.005 whole square. So it will be coming nearly around. क्या आ रहा है public? .057.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 0.055.
Cool. Chalo. Next problem, critical things of insulation. A put grid material having thermal conductivity of 0.4 watt per meter Kelvin insulates a cylinder pipe of 20 mm. Okay. If the heat transfer of coefficient between the insulating material and the environment is 20 watt per meter square Kelvin, the critical information is. So they are asking what? TC, right? So TC is how much? RC minus R0. And the RC is how much? Insulation by H. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Anna. So 0.4
sir.
divided by H was 20. Into 10 to the power 3 minus 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, mm में लेना है. Okay. So 400 divided by 20. How much it is coming? 20. Yes or no? कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? No. So the TC RC is coming as 20 mm. So TC is how much? So 20 minus 10, because R0 is 20 mm diameter. So this is 10 meters radius, 10 centimeter, 10 mm radius. That is TC is coming as how much? 10 mm. That's it. Khatam. Are Aya, shall I explain again? Okay, I will. So TC equal to RC minus R0. R0 is the outer diameter, and RC that is the critical diameter. Critical radius. So critical radius we can include it K insulation का हुआ अपन हलवा. Okay, that is H. So K insulation by H. Okay, so K is how much? 0.5 or how much? 0.4 divided by 20. So this thing is in meter. Everything will be coming in the meter. We need in the mm. So RC was coming as 20 mm. So TC 20 mm minus 10 mm equal to 10 mm. Everyone got this? Quickly solve this problem. बोलो बोलो पब्लिक जल्दी. इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन है लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं है. Hello, there are two questions. Okay, from here to here will be one question, and still to another is different question. I think they both question are merged. Tamal Ayan dhyan rakha. Okay, next time.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what is the answer of first problem? Again, 0.4 divided by, okay, the first, this problem and this problem are same. So this first we already calculated this 10 mm. Second, still one you calculate. Okay, 10 centimeter inner, 11 centimeter outer is covered with one insulation. Convectivity transfer of the coefficient is 8. Then the critical radius of insulation. So RC they are directly asking. RC is how much? 1 by 8 into 10 to the power 3. So 1 by 8 is 12.5 mm. Okay, so this is RC and is the option. Khatam. That's it. Answer आया D. C answer option. Clear? Suraj, Akansa, Lol, Subham, Arnab. अरे आया.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir, आ गया.
See, such kind of now critical thickness of insulation you don't require pen and paper. Simply, what is given? A steel steam pipe 10 centimeter diameter, outer diameter 11 centimeter, covered with this. So never start the problem from the bottom. Let's see here. ये दिख रहा है problem? How you should approach? How I will approach? I will tell you. I'll directly see the last line. The critical thickness of the insulation for maximum heat transfer rate will be. So thickness of insulation matlab RC minus R0. R0 is already given 10 mm. Now we have to calculate RC. RC is what? K insulation by H. So K insulation, let's take 0.4 divided by 20. So it's coming as 20 mm. Khatam. Now 10 mm. So without taking the pain, we are solving the questions. Are Hayana. So now quickly check. Hello?
Yes, sir.
The last problem. Same thing. What is asking? No pen and paper. Okay. No pen and paper. Directly answer.
.0.
0.5, right? How many of you did without pen? बिना पेन के हो रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone, hello and all. Shubham, Mayank, without pen is solving. You guys are solving, right? So this is done. Some problems you have to solve without pen. आगे हम लोग जाएंगे thermal processing में. There also we will be not using pen. What is the time now? So let's take it 12:30. Okay. So now quickly solve this problem. Before that, I'll take a quick how to solve such kind of problems. I'll tell you. See, don't remember formulas. Never go for remembering formulas. Okay. Always remember the tricks like if it is parallel like this. Okay. So T naught. Let's see here. This is the hot one, and this is the cooler one. So TH1, TH2, TC1, TC2. Okay. So take the difference of this minus this. Okay. Divided by. So they go delta T1, delta T2. So the LMTD, if they are asking, it is TM. Nothing, delta T1 minus delta T2 upon ln of delta T1 upon delta T2. Yeah.
One thing I'd just like to add, in case of you're going to face two types of questions like counter current and parallel flow, right? So sir.
एक बार दबा के छोड़ो.
So for counter current and we'll have two diagrams. You can, if you want, you can remember that, not memorize, like just understand these two diagrams. This one will be for parallel and this one will be for counter current. Remember, in case of parallel, hot fluid will be coming upward like this, and from the same side, the cold fluid will also enter. So it will end up something like this. But in case of parallel, the hot, so the arrows are like this, right? This is T hot 1, let's say, T hot 2. This is T cold 1, and this is your T cold 2. And in case of your counter current, this is coming from here, and this will be the diagram for the cold fluid. So this will be your T cold 1, this will be your T cold 2, this will be your T hot 2, and this is your T hot 1. And when you're having to find out this T delta T1 and delta T2, you just need to find this length and this length, this length, and this length. Essentially, this is for parallel, you are having to subtract the first inlet out temperatures and outlet temperatures of the hot and cold fluids, but in counter current, you are just taking the difference of the inlet temperature of hot with outlet temperature of cold and inlet temperature of cold with outlet temperature of hot. Is this diagram simplified for you to understand the exchanges? Is it fine?
समझ आया? Public?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the third one way. What I used to approach, I'll tell you. Simply, what Isha said, this is 1 and 2 are inlet and outlet. This is for parallel. Now, the formula is same everywhere. Okay, delta T1 minus delta T2 upon ln of delta T1 upon delta T2. Okay, so let's solve this problem quickly. A saturated steam at 100 degrees Celsius on the outside. Okay. Okay, so 100 degrees Celsius on the outside of the tube, cold fluid of this, and exits at 50 degrees Celsius, the value of log mean temperature. Yeah, so this problem is not solved with this. This is solved with NTU method. Okay, so that will be taken in the second half. Cool. Take this problem.
Next one.
Okay, so similar. Now they are saying how much in the counter current or counter current. So this, so TC1, TC2, TH1, TH2. So TH1 was how much? 360 and going at 340. Yeah. and this is going at 300 and coming at 317. So now the difference is here is 43 minus 40 divided by ln of 43 by 40. That is your TM. That's it. Nothing, no pen and required. Okay. You can calculate this in imagination only. So 3 by ln of 43 by 40. So it is coming 41.4 degrees that is your TM. Aya. Is it simple?
Yes,
The
sir.
method. Do you have to remember other different formulas? Huh?
No, sir.
No,
Are, is it required to remember the formulas? Not, right? Just a sec. Reconnecting my internet. Am I audible now? ये प्रॉब्लम चेक करो. बताओ बताओ. चलो इसको थ्योरेटिकल में मैं वो नोट्स में रहेगा. सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these two problems are of NTU method that we will take in later. Yes, I think one from
It's heat
heat transfer, balance.
balance.
That also you can take it the screenshot. We'll take it in the next class. Okay. Are you going? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Isha, take this screenshot and send in the group. Okay. We will take finally 10 problems are there for the thermal processing. Very quick, we will be taking up. So this is a mental maths. Okay. This is purely a mental maths, nothing else. So I'll tell you when they ask growth or decay. Always remember ln will come, or when there is a d value or z value is mentioned, always remember log will be using. These two differentiate, if you know, your thermal processing is done. Okay. Growth and decay, what do you have to take?
ln.
Ln. Okay. So let's say the particular thing is growing. So ln of n by n naught kt. Now someone else says a grow ke liye n naught by nt. So if it is decaying, kt ln. You have seen the formula such like this. Okay, this is for, they used to say grow, this is for death. No need to mention some things. Okay, always remember n by n naught ln. Okay, kt. So if it is growth, it should be plus. If it is death, it is minus k. That's it. Okay. So now the population, initial population of a bacterial strain is from 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 6. So it is a growth. Yes or no? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So they are asking what? They are asking us generation times. Generation time is nothing. What is G equal to ln 2 by K? Yes or no? So can you find K? K from where? Ln of n by n naught divided by T. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So n by n naught, that is n is how much? 10 to the power 6 divided by 10 to the power 4. So 10 to the power 2. So ln of 10 to the power 2 divided by T. T is how much? 120 minutes. So ln 2 यहाँ पर आएगा. Yes or no? 2 ln 10 divided by 120. And take this K, put it here. Ln 2 ln 10 divided by 120. This is the generation time. Khatam. How much time it took? Easy.
Yes, sir.
So next problem you guys will be solving. Now, 1 minute max. Okay, not more than that.
1.15.
Oh. Hello? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So how many of you use pen for this? Hello? So what you have to do? Nothing, yaar. एक line खींचो 10 to the power 5 से 10. So simply ln of 10 to the power 5, 10 by 10 to the power 5. Okay, that is directly you are writing 2 ln 10 or 5 ln 10 divided by 10. This is the answer you have to write. Only you have to write ln 10 only. For that only you need pen or not required, just take calculator. So हवा में होना चाहिए 10 to the power 5 so 10, that is 5 ln 10. How many hours? 8 from 10. So 10 hours. Khatam. That is 1.15. Yeah, answer. How many of you are getting this answer? Chalo, next problem. A pure strain, again, similar level of problem. No pen used, okay. अरे हुआ जनता Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So what they are saying, total 10 hours to achieve the maximum growth. Okay. So do you know the graph? Lag, then exponential, then death, right? They are asking the maximum growth at this point. Okay. Hello. So they are saying total 10 hours. So 2 hours taken for the adaptation phase, that is lag phase, and then 8 hours. So you know the drill. Okay. 2n into 2 to the power of n into n naught. ये होता है ना फॉर्मूला. अरे हाँ या ना.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Hello. अरे आया. Now we know that generation time is what? Total time upon array. Number of generation is what? Total time upon generation time. Yes or no? Generation time is given 1 hour, right?
16 minutes.
N equal to 8 divided by 1, that is 8. Yeah, आ गया, put it here to the power 8 and 25600. This is the answer. Quick, next problem. A suspension containing to the power 10 to the power 4 again.
अरे यार मेरे को उसमें दिक्कत है.
सूरज क्या प्रॉब्लम है? हेलो, क्या दिक्कत है?
सर 2 आवर एडेप्टेशन के लिए लगेंगे ना, तो अपने को वहां पे जनरेशन।
हाँ तो 8 घंटे का ही काउंट किया ना. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन अगेन. ओके, see, this is the length of the whole setup. Okay, so 2 hours are for the adaptation phase, so no growth is there. Okay, now initially 100 यहाँ पे रहेगा inoculation load. ये 2 घंटे में 100 ही रहेगा, बढ़ेगा नहीं. Now from here to here, that is 8 hour journey, right? So total time of generation is 8 hour, right? T equal to 8.
Okay.
And we know for one generation it is 1 hour. It is mentioned there, right? So n equal to T by G.
Okay,
Right?
sir. Okay.
So n equal to n naught into 2 to the power n. N is how much? 8 आया यहाँ से. So 100 into 2 to the power 8, that is 256. So 25600. अरे आया public. Clear everyone? Plus
हाँ, sir,
1 in the chat box. Quick, plus 1 in the chat box. Okay, so the next problem. Next problem is spoilage probability. So for that, remember the formula. 1 by R equal to 10 to the power F by D. That's it. And one more thing. If anyone talk about anything, F value, any value, it is always SV into D value. Okay. What is SV? Log of n by n naught by n. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And SV is sterilization value, nothing is sterilization value. Okay, kitna per factor the death is going on. Well, how many from 10, like assume from 10 to the power of 8 to 10 to the power minus 1 is going on. Okay, so how many drop is there? 9. Yes or no? Directly after writing 9, how I'll tell you. So everyone see here, very important thing. I'm revising this concept for the regular students also. Assume like initially the problem was 10 to the power 4. And from here it is going to 99% reduction. Like they are saying 99.999% reduction. Okay. ठीक है? अरे हाँ ना. So how you have to calculate? कितने number of 9 है यहाँ पर?
5
5. और यहाँ पर कितना 4 है? टोटल 9. खत्म. नहीं आया? चलो एक काम करो, ये मत देखो. Let's assume initially the cell was 1 and it's going to 99.999% reduction. Okay, I'll tell you how the basics comes. Okay, so this is 1 divided by 99. This is if you convert into reductions. So 1 minus 99.999 divided by 100, right? That is 0.999. Yes or no? Hi Anna, if you minus it, it will come in like 1. That is 10 to the power minus 5. Yes or no? Are hi Anna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you take log of 1 upon 10 to the power minus 5, how much it is coming? 5. Yes or no? Are
Yes,
आया.
sir.
Now if I ask you, बिना pen use के करना. Okay, बिना pen use के. Now you will be writing answers without using pens. So that 10 to the power 4 say it is going 99.9999%. So how many, what is the SV? अरे इतना टाइम लग गया. Speak man, I can't see the chat box. अरे बोलोगे सूरज इतना टाइम?
6 होगा.
6 कैसे होगा? I am asking SV. What is SV? 10 to the power. देखो हमेशा remember, if it is 1, it is from 1 it is going to this. From 1 it is going to this. Then you have to remember the number of 9. If it is coming from before 1, you have to count that also. So initial was 10 to the power 4 divided by 10 to the power minus 6. How much coming log of 10 आ रहा है ना?
10.
तो कैसे निकालना है without using the pen? How many number of 9s are there? 6. Yes or no? Hi Anna.
Yes, sir.
And here it was 4. So 4 plus 6, 10. Khatam. SV equal to 10. And now if they ask F value. Now एक problem हल्के से लेना, यहाँ पर मैं बता रहा हूँ. Write down the problem. Not don't need to write. Just listen the problem carefully. From 10 to the power 9, it is going to 9.99. Okay, leave it. 99.999999% and D value is 2 minutes. Calculate F value or processing time or sterilization time. Without using pen, जो पेन यूज किया वो पाप लगेगा उसका.
34.
खत्म.
34.
34.
खत्म. यस. अरे कॉन्फिडेंट है इस टॉपिक पे? अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
अरे डालो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल out of 10 on thermal processing till now which we have covered. Out of 10, what is your 10 out of 10 होना चाहिए हर किसी का without using pen, right? Cool. Now, अब ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो स्पॉइलेज प्रोबेबिलिटी का. खत्म हो गया आंसर.
So वो फॉर्मूला में n0/10⁻f/d है ना?
R की वैल्यू यहाँ रखना पड़ेगा. चलो डायरेक्टली काम
पे n/n0 ln n.
Hello. Yeah, that's the formula n/n0 one only. So log of n/n0 f/d. That's it only. खत्म. यही लगाओ यार. और क्या लगाना है?
10.95. Yeah, correct.
Those who are getting 10.95 right answer. Next switch. ये प्रॉब्लम करो क्विकली. अभी सिखाया हूं मैं. कोई गलती नहीं करेगा, कोई पेन यूज नहीं करेगा. जो पेन यूज किया वो पाप है. करेक्ट. No pens. Okay. Directly you have to speak the answer.
This is reduced.
अरे इतना टाइम लग गया. 1.6 आंसर है. नहीं आ रहा क्या? हेलो सूरज, रचना, आकाश मुखर्जी, मयंक.
आ गया सर.
तो बोला क्यों नहीं? क्या किया? What they are asking? What is the difference? What is the SV? 8? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
What is the D value? 0.2. 8 into 0.2. How much? 1.6. अरे हाँ या ना? आया. अरे आया. What I am saying?
Yes sir.
Sir, nothing.
Yes, sir.
10 से -6 जा रहा है. तो what is the difference? 8. Log of 8. This is something directly writing SV equal to 8. So T equal to how much? SV into D value. So 8 into 0.2. How much it is coming? 1.6. Now check the same problem, same level. If I am writing this is as 0.5 and from 10 to the power of 11 to going 99.999%. Quickly give me the total time. 10 to the power 11 said 99.999% and the D value is 0.5. Quickly give me the
8.
Khatam. Easy.
हेलो सर.
या बोलो. हेलो सर बोलो.
इसमें तो 111 में तो निकलना पड़ेगा. इधर में तो 1 to 1 में दिया है डी वैल्यू. तो डी वैल्यू तो निकलना पड़ेगा.
निकालना पड़ेगा.
हाँ तो
टोटल टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू मिनट रिड्यूस. हाँ तो यू हैव टू चेंज फॉर द Z वैल्यू. नहीं होगा.
हाँ तो वही बात।
So there is some change. The time Z D value कितने दे रखा है 121 पे. Okay, so there is a change. There is a change. Come. Sorry. We didn't find
तो
that.
एक फॉर्मूला लगेगा DL DH by DL.
Formula भाई है कहाँ वो? So I have given the formula. If it is log and Z, D and Z both are coming. What is the formula? Log of, remember, DL by DH, TH minus TL. ठीक है? TH minus TL upon Z. So D lower यहाँ पे और T higher यहाँ पे होगा. Okay, that's it. बंदे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे DH लगाते हैं, DL लगाते हैं, यहाँ TL minus TH लगाते हैं. गलत हो जाएगा. Remember, D lower upon D higher, T higher minus T lower upon Z. Okay? अरे clear है?
Yes, sir.
So log of D lower में चाहिए. So D lower, that is D triple one. D121 is given as 0.2 equal to T higher minus lower 10 divided by, what is the Z value? What is the Z value? 10, right? अरे हाँ या ना?
10.
हाँ सर.
So log of D triple one upon D121, that is 0.2 equal to 1. So 10 to the power 1, that is 10. So D triple one into 0.2. So it's D triple one is coming as how much? 10 into 0.2, it is 2 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So SB was how much? 8. So total time is was how much? 8 into 2 minutes. 16 minutes आ रहा है ना?
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
खत्म. अरे आंसर आया?
Yes, sir.
Is it tough? अरे tough है क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So how many formula you know till now for thermal processing? Sir, 2-3 ही तो formula है. बाकी only logic is there, nothing else. So ln of, if it is growth, what is the formula? Growth decay के लिए ln of n by n naught divided by into kd. खत्म. G value के लिए t by n और n equal to t by g. Convert only, nothing else. Next, if you d value and all come, d lower upon d higher, t higher minus t lower divided by z. Spoilage probability I by r, that is nothing, log by n by n naught, n naught by n, and 10 to the power f by d. Khatam. Tata. Bye bye. Next problem. अरे मजा आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
चलो ये अपन नेक्स्ट हाफ में लेंगे. चेक दिस. अभी सिखाया हूं मैं, कोई गलती नहीं करेगा. विदाउट पेन यू विल बी सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. Something is missing, right? सब मार देंगे. So what is the difference between this problem and the previous problem? Sir, यहाँ पर they give the minute inverse, that is the rate constant, right? They didn't give the d value. So what is the relation between d value and k value? So d is nothing, 2.303 divided by k. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You put this, you will be getting as how much? 20 or 10? Sir, 10 gilega, sir. Nothing else. D value is 10 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if d value is 10, 99% reduction, how many number of 9? 2. Khatam. 2 into 10, 20 minutes directly answer. How many of you used the pen? Are hua? Hinolde, Suraj, Rachna, Sunanda, everyone who are in the meeting. Confidence? Next problem again, boom. No pens, okay? थोड़ा झोल है इस क्वेश्चन में, क्विकली देखो. How many use pen? Akansa, have you used pen? Ritik, you used pen or direct calculator?
Direct calculator.
That's it. Suraj, direct calculator, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cool. क्या करना था? Nothing. Sir, what is given? D lower by D higher log of equal to TH minus TL by Z. So temperature difference is 5. Yes or no? 121 से 116. YouTube वाला के लिए solve करना पड़ेगा ना, जो लोग बाद में देखते हैं. So what is there? So log of how much? 27 D lower upon 278 into equal to 10 to the power or nothing, 5 divided by 10. So 0.5, 10 to the power of 0.5, that is root 10 into 2.78. Direct calculator में रखो, आएगा 8.79 answer. खत्म. चलो, next problem. Boom, again, same level of problem. What is the relation between doubling time and normal? 0.693 by K, yes or no?
Yes, sir, yes.
खत्म, आंसर आ गया.
10.
How many are getting 18 minutes quickly? No pens, okay? Only calculator. 18 मिनट आया? 18 minutes, 18 minutes, 18 minutes. Option C. अरे इतना टाइम लग रहा है? Hello? 18 minutes. C option, 18 minutes. Calculator or pen? What do you use? Be honest, okay? Akansa, Ritik, Suraj, Gaurav, calculator or pen? Pen use के गलत बात. See, now speak with me how much, okay? So 10 to the power 3, so 10 to the power 7 means 4 ln 10 K value, yes or no? 4 ln 10 divided by 4, that is only ln 10 remains. ln 10 matlab, now K value is ln 10. Now doubling time is 0.693 by K. This is ln 2 by ln 10, that is 0.693 divided by something आएगा. That's it. There also you need calculator. बाकी हो गया खत्म. अरे हुआ. चलो पेन से ही बता देता हूं मैं. 10 to the power 3 से 10 to the power 7. So ln of 10 to the power 7 by 10 to the power 3 equal to kt. तो k equal to आएगा आपका. This is 4 ln 10 divided by 4. 4 cancelled. ln 10 बचा यहाँ पर. K equal to ln 10. Done. Okay. Any doubt? No sir. अब TD equal to what? 0.693 divided by ln 10. यहाँ पर आपको पेन यूज करना है, इसके पहले पेन यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. खत्म. आंसर. अरे हुआ. मजा आया?
Yes, sir.
Confidence. Again, start now. 30 seconds, okay? Not more than that. अरे आंसर नहीं लिखना इतनी देर में. 10.8, nothing else. What is there asking? F value, that is nothing. SV into D. D is given how much? 1.8. Okay. How many number of nines are there? अरे मेरे
Six.
साथ बोलो. How many number of nines are there? हाँ?
6.
6 into how much? 1.8. आ गया आंसर.
10.8.
अरे आया.
Yes, sir.
So thermal
Yes, sir.
processing is on fire. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, I want those who feel that the fire of thermal processing. Emoji डालो यार. देखते हैं क्या है. Let's see. Fire everywhere should be there. In the chat box. चलो. Cool.
सर
Yeah, go ahead.
इस क्वेश्चन में तो आंसर बी आएगा ना 0.3.
कैसे आएगा?
एफ वैल्यू तो दे दिया है 1.8 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 99.999.
डिवाइड थोड़ी होता है भाई. SV into D करना
डी
होता है
वैल्यू
ना.
तो निकल रहा है ना. एफ इक्वल टू एच बी इंटू डी. तो डी तो होगा एफ बाई एच बी.
भाई what is F value?
1.8.
Oh, the F value is given. Okay. There is a correction. D naught is asked. Na? Okay. You are right. 0.3. 1.8 divided by 6. The one who is there, good job, man. चलो एक काम करो. इसी प्रॉब्लम में एक एड ऑन लिखो. There is an add-on from my end. So the add-on is लिखेंगे. Are you ready?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So the D value you are getting at D naught equal to this. Okay. Now find the F value at 100 degrees Celsius if Z value equal to 10.5. चलो 10 कर देता हूं. Find the F value at 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius. Same population, same thing. करोगे?
Yes.
Can I know the name of the person who have corrected the calculations? यार D naught निकाल था.
सर मी सर ही लॉल दे.
Oh, good job, man. Thumbs up for you. ओके. देखो प्रॉब्लम ध्यान से पढ़ना. प्रॉब्लम अगर पढ़ लिया क्या पूछा है उसके बाद उसको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द कॉन्सेप्ट बस. और वो हवा में हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So answer is for the first problem is 0.3. Answers in the chat box. Quick. Someone with the name of A52S 59.29.2. देखते हैं क्या आंसर है. I'm not asking D value, I'm asking F value.
The value is being asked.
अभी अनम्यूट किया तो क्या आंसर है
231.
अरे आया 231 how you are getting 226.1 man it should be 231 देखो दिखाता हूं मैं so log of dl upon 0.3 yes or no अरे आया ना ठीक है अब why to go with this just remember अगर d वैल्यू में वो है तो f वैल्यू में भी सेम होगा fl by fh th minus tl upon z so 1 to 1.1 minus 100 upon 10 that is 2.11 yes or no and log of fl we have to find fh equal to 1.8 yes or no so fl equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power of 2.11 it will be coming as 231.88 अरे आया
ये सेट 231 पॉइंट यार एक्चुअली 21 ले लिया था उधर 21.1 नहीं लिया
अब देखो 21 लिया और 21.11 लिया कितना डिफरेंस है बिकॉज इट इज इन द पावर ऑफ 10 टू पावर 1 5 का डिफरेंस है ना इतना तो रेंज नहीं होता है
नहीं होता
इसका 21
छोटी मिस्टेक्स ओके अब अगर ये दिस ओनली यू कैन यूज व्हेन दे आर सेइंग द सेम इनिशियल एंड फाइनल कंसंट्रेशन इफ आई एम सेइंग फ्रॉम 10 टू द पावर 3 to 99.99999% रिडक्शन है अब बताओ एफ वैल्यू क्या होगा
Four 425.04.
देखो कुछ नहीं करना द वैल्यू गॉट ना 231.896 उसको 6 से डिवाइड कर देना इनटू 11 कर देना यू विल बी गेटिंग समथिंग वेरी गुड वैल्यू दैट्स द आंसर चलो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम फाइनल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द फर्स्ट हाफ F value based on 12D concept using the D naught value of the above organism and the most likely load in the product of 100 will be. So,
This is the continuation of the previous question.
हाँ भाई ये previous प्रॉब्लम का कंटिन्यूशन है इस प्रॉब्लम का कंटिन्यूशन है ओके
इसका नहीं
इसी का है
इसका है
अरे आया नहीं आया बताता हूँ देखो चलो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग प्रोडक्ट में 100 है ओके सो 100 से जा रहा है 12 minus 12 okay so 14 sv equal to 14 d value how much you got 0.3 so multiply कर दो 4.2 अरे यही किया ना
हाँ सर
फिर से समझाता हूँ I'll explain again Siva are you there
Yes, sir.
you got the answer for 4.2 minutes
Yes, sir.
see d naught equal to how much 0.3 so f value equal to 100 to 10 to the power minus 12 12 means 10 to the power minus 12 so what is the difference sv is how much 14 yes or no f value equal to 14 into कितना आ गया नो कैलकुलेटर नो पेन्स अरे आंसर आया हेलो ऋतिक सूरज आकांक्षा एनीवन हु इज देयर रचना क्लियर
यस सर
Yes, sir.
चलो यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ थर्मल प्रोसेसिंग नेक्स्ट विल बी स्टार्टिंग मोमेंटम ट्रांसफर्स एंड ऑल ये भी हम लोग के मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स अगेन विल बी कमिंग दे आर दिस व्हाट टू से वर्चुअल प्रॉब्लम्स ओनली दिमाग में होने वाले प्रॉब्लम्स आगे आएंगे आई विल गिव यू द कॉन्सेप्ट्स ओके साइज रिडक्शन सिमिलर लेवल माइंड प्रॉब्लम्स ओके नेक्स्ट फिजिकल सेपरेशन एंड सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन मोस्ट पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज हियर एंड धोखा होता है उनके साथ में लाइक एक प्रॉब्लम हम दिखाते हैं where is the problem yeah certain type of problems, फिर separations वाला problem. How many of you remember those formula? X minus something something of something minus करके फिर यहाँ से हाँ effectiveness problems. How many of you remember? ये formula बड़ा बड़ा याद होता है क्या? एक bigger formula is there, something of this 4 terms here, 4 terms here. Do you remember those formula? Hello?
No, sir.
जरूरत भी नहीं है. For us, we have a trick. What is the trick, Subham? Suraj, Gaurav?
Sir, good minus bad, मतलब.
Good in
by putting loading feed into bad in product to
Bad in
product by bad in output.
bad in non-product upon bad in feed. ये है ना शुभम? अरे सूरज,
हाँ सर.
ये लगाओगे आंसर आ जाएगा. Now you have to remember that biggie as problems, phase formulas. Okay, ठीक है? So
सर वो वाला कंसंट्रेशन जब दिया रहता वो वाला यूज करना सही रहता
रिवाइज
है.
करवाएंगे ना. No worries, we will do revisions. Okay. So now tell me again, ईशा सेम अपना पोल्स हम लोग डालेंगे.
We need the host Tamal.
तमल send me the host link. मेरे को होस्ट बना दे एंड वहां से ऑफ कर दे रिकॉर्डिंग. Stop the service and stop the recording.